Are you looking for an air conditioning company in South Florida? Look no further. Dr. CoolService has been the #1 HVAC company in South Florida since 1995. We specialize in air conditioning repair, air conditioning installation, and air duct cleaning. We offer 24/7 emergency dispatch to everyone in South Florida. Why choose us? Licensed and insured, 20 years of experience, free estimates, and open 24 hours. Give Dr. CoolService a call today for all your HVAC needs. Call 754-200-2088 or visit us at drcoolservice.com.